Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring. Trust direct measurements over memory. Use a tape and mark wall lengths, window centers, and door swings on graph paper. Label each wall. Once done, record ceiling height and any offsets like built-ins or radiators. Make quick sketches to capture relationships and rough proportions. You do this now to avoid guesswork later. Precise labels save time in drafting. Keep measurements in consistent units and write them next to each line so you don't need to remeasure. You now convert raw numbers into a scaled drawing. Pick 150 or 100 and calculate each wall length. Plot exterior walls first so the footprint is accurate. Then insert interior partitions, marking door swings and clearances. Make sure doors open without collision. Once done, place windows, plumbing fixtures, appliances, and built-ins. These anchor the plan. Keep lines clean and use a scale ruler. Accurate geometry reduces rework and makes estimating furniture layout straightforward. You finish by labeling everything clearly: dimensions, room names, finish notes, and fixture heights. Once done, add a legend and a north arrow, then produce a scaled PDF or high-res photo for sharing. Measure key clearances like corridors and doorways to confirm usability. If something feels off, recheck the original measurements and wall-to-wall diagonals. Often a single misread causes drift. The key troubleshooting tip: verify 2 independent dimensions across the room to catch scale errors early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.